Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video I am going to show you how to add population pyramid chart in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we want to make a population pyramid. At first select data, click and drag on our mouse, then go to the insert menu, select the recommended chart option and go to the all chart. Now I am select the bar chart and select the stacked bar. You can choose the stacked bar or the 100% stacked bar. Now I am select this and click OK. Now I am select the first series, click right button, go to the format series and select the fill option, choose no fill. Select the last series and make this no fill. Now I am select the middle fill and choose no fill. You can make this the white fill. Now I am select the data and you can change the color or change the position. Now I am select the data and go to the border option and increase the border. Now I make the white 4 pt. Then select the border and make the white 4 pt. Then close the window, then rename the chart title. Now I am write my chart title. Now we can see we make a population pyramid chart in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.